What's going on, guys and gals? My name is William Clark, and welcome to the video. So I went to Subway, and I basically asked to apply for a job there, and it was easy. Resume already here. Now in this bottom part, I gotta do some math. Calculate. Calculator is just, well, I'll use this pen. Is this a good calculator? Probably can be. Let's make sure it turns on. I have not used this since my school days. There's another one, I think. Please tell me this one turns on. I'm begging you, please turn on. I'm not good. Yay, it turns on. So, I'm basically applying for a job over at, oh, that's cool. It's pink. So I'm applying for a job over at, Subway. Oh my god. Yeah, look at, you're about to see the worst possible handwriting. I've seen my friends that could basically write 10 times worse than I can, but I doubt it. Now I'm kind of, you're seeing a little bit of darkness because I really don't want to give out my address. Even though I've done it in the past, don't worry. Right. Or my phone number. I don't want any people calling me. If you want to contact me, do it on fucking Facebook or Messenger. Check mark that. Now here's what I don't get. Are you legally able to be employed in this country? If hired, verification will be required by law. Yes or no? Obviously I'm going to say yes, but if I'm applying for a job. Part-time. I am not ready for full-time yet. Date available to start work. I feel like with this, you could just talk it out with the manager or whoever is wanting to hire you or whatever, or is looking at the resume. But I don't know. I probably won't be doing it until the afternoon, because I don't usually get up until the afternoon. That and I have other TV shows I watch until then. Probably like 12:30 more like, because on Saturdays 11:30 is My Little Pony, and I don't want to miss it. Alright, so I don't know when I get up. Actually, it's just gonna be an issue, is training myself to get up at the proper time. I don't want to say 12:30 p.m., but you know what, let's do it at 1. 1, 2, and if I want to get like at least 5 hours in, so probably 6 at least. So I'll just put it all under 6. And on the weekends, why not? Now, I may not be able to upload, but I probably need to be getting my ass up around however much. I'll do 1 through 6 on all of them, except for well, maybe on the weekends as well. Why not? Actually, I'll do 1:30 to 6:30. I'm still getting my 5 hours in. School name. Yeah, I don't write. I only type. Some local, but yeah, okay. Racing OH. 4. I'll just say regular, just regular diploma. I don't go for honors or anything like that. Please list below your most recent employers. None. I don't have. I don't know anyone. References. I don't have any. This is where I'm going to need to use a calculator. Alright, so they will give me a little list of hygiene and stuff. For me, I would probably work until they get there, or at least until they close. I would work extra hours to get a little bit more pay, and also stuff like that. So, yeah, if the customer's order came to 622 and it gave you 2025, it's where a calculator comes in handy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we have 20.25, and you minus 6.22. So you get $14 and... no, did I just do that wrong? It's a point. I'm a fucking idiot. And like I said, my handwriting sucks. Making a full batch of tuna. You'll mix 1 pouch of tuna with 26 ounces or something of mayonnaise. How much tuna and mayonnaise would you need when making a double batch? Okay, so it's 26 times 2. Well, obviously 2 pouches of tuna. Obviously, the tuna is not the issue. It's gonna be the mayonnaise. Uh-huh. Yes, ma'am. Okay. And 52 OZ. I'll just say mayo. Nah, I want to sound like an actual smart person, not just abbreviate things like mayo. Okay. You need to count all the loaves of bread in the front area. There are 22 loaves of white bread, 17 loaves of wheat, and 19 gourmet. So we're adding today, folks. I really hate doing math. Math was never my strong suit. I used to love doing math when things were this simple. It used to be this simple. Now you gotta do E equals MC squared. It seems like. Also, let me just have a little, just kind of a mini rant. Who the fuck calls it loaves? It sounds weird. Loaves of bread. That sounds so weird. I don't even know. Lettuce is packaged 4 bags to a box. If there are 3.5 boxes of lettuce in the cooler, how many bags of lettuce would there be? Oh, now we're bringing points into it. 4 bags to a box. 3.5. 3.5. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. It's not going to be divided by anything. So it's 4 times 3.5, right? It would be 14. Your shift is over at 6 p.m. and the individual who is scheduled to begin working at 6 p.m. does not show up. What do you do? Now as for me, I would work extra hours. Work until they show up. And if they don't, don't worry about that end. If they don't, then work until closing, and whoever my boss would be, I also tell him or her that. Talk about hygiene. Alright, smoking. Employees must not smoke or use tobacco in any form while working in a food store, blah, blah, blah. Okay, illness. Yep. So no infectious Veronica viruses today. Management must excuse an employee from working when diagnosed with a food-borne illness. Blah, blah, Alright, so hygiene practices, long story short, yeah, uniforms and stuff like that. And must always look professional, clean and free from baiting, holes and stains, may not be modified in any way, okay? One plain ring, one wristwatch, I think I have both. Plain necklace, if worn must be worn inside the shirt. Alright. That's fine, that's fine. Cleanliness. I'm not really a completely clean person, as you can tell by my fucking room. Yeah, it is better than it used to be, but you still got a lot of things. That's fucking issue, even, look at over there. But I think I can do it pretty well. And basically, it just gives you the terms of service. Please read carefully the section below before signing. Blah, 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 okay. And is there any omission or false information is grounds for dismissal? Blah, blah, blah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Alright. Alright, so I am basically doing so right now. So I could probably give it to him right now if I wanted to. What's today? I'm going to find out right now. It's the 26th of 7th. 07/26/18. Alright. That math part hurt my head, but not as much as it probably could have. So yeah. Most recent employers. I don't know. I don't have any other job experience. I never went to college and I don't plan on doing so. If I did, it would be for video game design or editing for YouTube videos and whatever, but I can learn that myself, I guess. Graduate school and technical school, never did any of those. I was gonna put Southern Local High School, but then I just said fuck it and said Racine, Ohio, because Southern Local, and if I read the top Racine, Ohio, they will know that probably. References, never had anyone tell me, hey, you should work for us, or you should work in Subway. And Amy said it was a pretty good idea, but it said don't list any family members. So, yeah, I decided not to. Oh, shit. I almost forgot something. Are you able to meet the attendance requirements of the position? Possibly. Total hours available per week. Hours available. Yeah. So let's do math. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay, 35, I suppose. Date available to start work. I don't know. Whenever. Just, I might work that out with the manager or whatever, so, possibly, date available to start work. Whenever is fine. I don't really care if I work today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, next millennia. If I get this job, I may cut back on the videos that are being produced. I might upload some videos before I go over to work at Subway. I can just walk over to Subway and it's no big deal. Because all of Racine is walking distance from everywhere else. So I figured it'd be best to work somewhere and stuff like that. And I'm going to vlog the experience. I'm not going to vlog the interview. No, I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to say, hey, I got a job, or hey, I didn't get a job, or whatever, but I'm not going to give up. So if I don't get this job, that's fine. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying and trying until I get somewhere. Because I need to start getting fucking paid around here. I want to get my own house, want to get my own whatever, some sort of vehicle. I don't care if it's an old car that's like $7,000 or something like that you can get from like someone selling on eBay or Craigslist or whatever. I want to get some sort of vehicle and maybe a driver's license to do so, obviously. But yeah, if you guys and gals did enjoy this video, please give this video a like. If not, that's fine too. Yay! Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. There's ponies on the floor because they can be. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon down below to get notified of my future uploads and live streams. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Peace out, people. And aloha. Fuck. Bro.